Hello friends, we are here with another interesting craft video, and this is how we are taking a paper, trying to fold it out into this shape. Upon folding it further, we are getting a nice diamond looking shape, and we are cutting it out to this shape, and this way we can open it out to create a nice flower look here. And one by one we are taking all these strips, trying to cover the entire thing, and we are getting a nice looking flower over here. This is how we can put this stick inside that, and this is how we can decorate it further with the help of this pattern paper cutout pieces, and our umbrella is ready. Next one, it's another printed paper we have taken, and this is how we are trying to fold, so that after folding from back, and this way we are trying to fold it further, and then putting this kind of pattern here. This is how it is looking upon completing both the sides, and we are trying to make a nice heart shape over here. This is how we are taking the middle part, and we are trying to fold in such a way so that it will make a nice dress over here. This is how we can design our own dress, and we can give sleeves according to our wish. And here's our dress is ready. Next, it's another printed paper we have taken, and this is how we are trying to fold and paste it out, so that after opening this part and pasting all the cutout pieces, we can make a nice flower, and the middle we can have this nice color look here, and this way we can create our own stuff. Next one, we are taking this kind of printed paper which is plain on one side, and this is how we are trying to fold it ahead from all the four sides, so that after folding it further we can get this kind of nice shape, box shape here. After that, what we are trying to do, we are trying to put it in making a nice cupboard, our own cupboard. Next one, we are trying to fold something like this in a printed paper, and this is how we are trying to fold from the back side, and after folding it further we are creating a nice pattern here, and this is how we are trying to fold it further and make this kind of shape in the middle part. And upon folding it further and making this kind of look here, this is how we are trying to fold it further and create this nice bag look here, and this is how we can fold from all these sides and make something like this container. Next one, it's another pink paper we have taken, and this is how we are cutting it out, folding it further, so that after folding and putting the things inside that, we can create this kind of design look as well as design our own booklet here. Next one, it's a printed paper, and this is how we are trying to fold it, so that after folding it further from all the sides, this is how we are trying to create a nice shape, and we can create this nice look after folding it ahead, and this is how we are designing a nice pattern and creating something like this. This is how we can take from all the four ends and we can create a nice shape over here, and this is how we can have this kind of look after cutting it out with the help of scissors and decorate it with the help of cartoons. Now it's ready.